Hi, in this video we are going to see how to install the basic tools to write and execute a Fortran program. We are going to need two tools. First, a code editor, and second, a compiler to execute our programs. The code editor that we are going to use is Visual Studio Code, and the compiler is called GCC. To install Visual Studio Code, we just need to visit the website, download the file, and install it. To install the GCC compiler in order to execute our Fortran programs, we need to visit the Fortran webpage and go to the section as showed in the video, download the file, and then install it. Once we install the GCC compiler, we need to restart our computer to apply the changes made by the compiler installation. The next thing to do is to perform a test and check if everything works fine. To do that, we need to start Visual Studio Code and create a new file to write our first Fortran program. After creating our file, we are going to install an extension for Fortran program structure. This would give us a nice format to write our Fortran code files. To do this, we are going to click in the extensions button or use the short command Ctrl+Shift+X. Then the panel would appear and we would search for the Fortran word. Then we choose the item showed in the video and we install it. Once we install this extension, we are going to add this new type of file extension to our file as showed in the video. Now it is time to write our first test program. Once we finish to write our program, we need to compile our code and run our executable file generated after the compilation process. This is the reason why we install the GCC. This tool would help us to translate our Fortran program in machine code in order that the computer can execute the tasks specified by the program. In order to do these steps, we need to define a place inside the computer where we are going to save our source code, compiled code, and executable file. Once we define that location, we execute the showed commands to see the final result. In the next video, we are going to see the meaning of some concepts such as source code, compilers, executables, basic Fortran syntax, and general programming terms. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.